Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I painted my IU celebrity inspired nail art design. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with base coat. As usual, I'm using unpeel off base coat and I have that linked in the description box. Next, I'm painting my index fingernail pink, my middle and thumbnails black, my ring fingernail a lighter pink, and my pinky fingernail hollow. For the index fingernail, I was inspired by her black and pink striped top, so I'm just doing these very skinny horizontal stripes across my nail, and I just did this with my brush because her sweater is kind of fuzzy, so the lines are not very crisp, so I think it's best to just use your brush. And then for the middle fingernail, I used silver and gold polish to draw stars, so some of the stars are just the regular line star, and then I also drew some stars that were filled in, and I just kind of alternated using silver in some areas and using gold in some areas. This design was inspired by yet another outfit. It is the black dress with the gold and silver stars that she wears. For the ring fingernail, I was inspired by the cover art, which was this kind of light peachy pink color, and it had a bunch of these cute doodles drawn in white. So I drew a crescent moon and I added some clouds around it, and then I added some sparkles, also some planets here and there, as well as music notes, just little doodles that I thought were really cute and would create a very fun design on this nail. I also liked how there was very little contrast between the doodles and the background, and overall it just made it a very subtle but dainty design. And now I'm going to top coat these three designs that we just finished, and you want to make sure you float the brush across the top because we have very contrasting colors and thin lines, and you don't want to smudge all these designs. And for the thumbnail, I'm doing yet another simple design. If you can't already tell, this entire nail art design is very simple, and I believe that many beginners should be able to recreate it. So this is the celebrity that shows up at the start of the music video, as well as on the cover art for the single itself. And I'm just going to finish this off not by dotting the eye, but by adding a cute little star. And now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat, making sure to float the brush across the top once again. And this is my finished IU celebrity inspired nail art design. Overall, this was definitely very simple and fun to paint, and I welcome you guys to recreate this design as well. Definitely share it with me if you do. But that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone!